want to see if you guys might be interested in buying that.
Okay. You mind if I make sure to clear really quick?
I cleared it before I came in, but there you go. Is that a bullet?
That was a bullet.
I just cleared it. Came in, but there you go.